Managing your money wisely isn't just for the high earners. It's a skill that can be mastered on any income. The truth is, financial stability is within reach, no matter how much you make. It's all about making the most of what you have, and I'm excited to share some practical tips to help you do just that. We all face financial challenges, from debt and unexpected expenses to the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you're struggling to make ends meet. Debt can be a heavy burden, with high interest rates and minimum payments that seem to stretch on forever. Then there are those unexpected expenses, car repairs, medical bills, or a leaky roof, that can blow your budget to smithereens. And let's not forget the stress of not having enough savings to fall back on. It's a cycle that can be hard to break, but understanding these challenges is the first step to overcoming them. Living with financial stress can affect every area of your life. It can keep you up at night, strain your relationships, and even impact your physical health. The feeling of being trapped in a never-ending cycle of bills and expenses is exhausting. But here's the thing, you're not alone. Millions of people are facing the same struggles, and there are ways to break free. By taking control of your finances, you can start to feel more confident, more secure, and more in control. So where do you start? The key is to begin with small, manageable steps. Create a budget that accounts for every dollar you earn. Track your spending to see where your money is going. Make a plan to pay off debt and build savings. It might not be easy, but it's worth it. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can use to build a better future. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses can also make a big difference. Do you really need that daily latte? Or can you make your own coffee at home? Can you cancel subscription services you don't use? Every little bit counts, and making these small changes can add up over time. One of the most powerful strategies for managing your money is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. That way, you'll ensure that you're saving something every month without having to think about it. You can also take advantage of employer-matched retirement accounts, like a 401 or IRA, to build long-term wealth. Investing in yourself is another smart move. Invest in your education, your skills, and your health. These investments can pay off in the long run, helping you earn more and live better. Take the story of Sarah, a single mom who was struggling to make ends meet on a modest income. She had debt, no savings, and was living paycheck to paycheck. But she was determined to change her situation. Sarah started by creating a budget and tracking her expenses. She cut back on unnecessary spending and automated her savings. She also invested in her education, taking courses to boost her earning potential. Over time, Sarah paid off her debt, built up her savings, and even started investing in her future. Her story is a testament to the power of smart money management. Sarah's transformation didn't happen overnight, but it was achievable because she was committed to making small, consistent changes. She found ways to save money, earn more, and invest in herself. And you can do the same. To recap, managing your money wisely on any income is all about taking control of your finances, making the most of what you have, and making smart choices that will help you build a better future. It's not about how much you make, but about how you manage what you have. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What are your favorite tips for managing money on a tight budget? Leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in learning more about financial literacy, check out my next video for more insights.